On one hand, we're a farming company. On the other hand, we're a technology company. We grow a plant typically from seed to harvest in about 15 days versus what's 30 to 45 days in a greenhouse or in a field. The benefit of vertical farming is our productivity is extremely high in a small footprint. We have all these macro trends that should be a wake-up call that we need a new paradigm of how we're going to feed our planet. Our growth media is a cloth that's made out of recycled bottles, and it's 100% reusable. From a design standpoint, we have these circular economy principles, ultimately to do more with less, to eliminate waste, and that impacts how we grow.
The whole history of agriculture has been all about changing the plants in small incremental ways to make them more amenable to human production systems. This is really the latest iteration of that, of bringing plants indoors into a new production system. One of the most exciting opportunities about changing the environment is improving nutrition. We know we can really improve that with different environmental conditions. Then we can have a product that's more nutritious, that can bring a better value to people in their diets, as well as really improving human health. These farms are set up to be able to supply to local areas, particularly in urban environments where you have dense populations and where you really benefit from pain points in the supply chain. Really bringing that supply chain to the city and bringing the best quality produce in a food-safe way, at the same time eliminating or reducing substantially the amount of carbon footprint that we have. I think one of the most interesting and pressing issues in the food supply chain is all about getting fresh produce that people want to eat. Everything that plant experiences, we can manage in a really controlled way, and we can have just tremendous control over the quality, the taste, the flavor.
I think Aero Farms is illustrative of how innovation can come meet some challenges in an industry and define better ways to provide, at the end of the day, food for people so everyone has access, in our case, to fresh food 365 days a year that's safe and tastes wonderful.